Like after that you will learn about SAP BTP region provides. We know like there are so many topics in that, like accounts managed in SAP BTP along with payment models, and then like complete understanding of SAP BTP cockpit. Then we will learn like about SAP BTP runtime environment and all. And in greater details, you will also learn like concepts like containerized application, polyglots application, microservices, Kubernetes, schemas, and many innovative concepts. Then you will learn about like SAP BTP programming, here more programming models, and cap wrap with examples. There are like multiple programming models in SAP BTP. That's why like the SAP BTP is like unique and more intelligent platform nowadays. And then I will introduce to SAP BTP development tools that can be used to develop applications in SAP BTP. So that's a thing. Finally, like we will summarize the course about everything you need to know to start working with SAP BTP. I want you to learn that to you like actually I want you to know that this course is about learning the basics of SAP BTP. So it is a theory based. This course SAP BTP is a theory course, and if you want, there will be another course application development with SAP BTP. If you want to deploy SAP BTP services available in SAP BTP basics, this is for definitely this course will help you to recognize the concepts, to understand the complete in detail of SAP BTP and all. So I have designed this course carefully so that it reaches a wide range of audience, and have taken enough care not to use technical jargons or fancy words or unwanted examples and all. So I have tried many best to keep the explanation simple, fun interesting, and much most importantly focused on learning the concepts. And so basically, like if you are new to SAP BTP or you are eager to learn SAP BTP from scratch, then definitely this course is for you. So before we dive into understanding of SAP BTP, it is better to take a step back and define the term technology platform. So a technology platform, what is technology platform? And understanding this lecture will give you a very good perspective how SAP is moving forward with its products, services, using it is own technology platform. This session is to aim to give you an in-depth understanding of like technology platform and all. So these are the like things which I will make you to understand what is technology platform. Then we will summarize the session by summarizing the key points and take away that whatever understanding a technology platform, then use of technology platform, examples of technology platform, the benefits of technology platform, then summarize as I told you to what is the solid foundation for your understanding of this upcoming sessions. This will understanding a technology platform is basic to understand the business technology platform, which is BTP. So before we deep down into the lecture, I want you to think just think for a while, what is your I just want to know what is your definition of technology platform? Yes. So what do you think, what is the technology platform? So please take a moment to provide on this, and I will wait for a second. Right, we can wait for a second. Great. So yeah, great. Yes, you're right. Now let's venture into this fascinating topic that is genuinely transformed that technology landscape. So without further ado, let's immerse ourselves into this today's lecture. We can get the things. What is technology platform? And here is the definition for the technology platform. So first, let's understand the definition of technology platform. So let's give you a definition first for you to digest first what is technology platform, then we will go into the topic. So here is the definition of technology platform. A technology platform is a collection of components that enables, or we can say, the development and the deployment of various application, services and products. So this is actually the I have highlighted here, like I understand it, and I want you to focus on those two words. The first word is collection of components, and second one is an enablement. Enablement, which means power to accomplish. So think of a technology platform as an ecosystem. So where you have collection of components like inside it, and that actually empowered us or enables us to accomplish something more significant in a faster and more efficient and effective way. Think of an ecosystem as a collection of technologies, because you are talking about technology. So we are like actually talking about the technology platform. So let's think about the collection of technology. So this ecosystem is actually the collection of technology that like interact each other, and some are the dependent on each other to survive. Like those components are dependent also, and some are not independent, like some are independent also, but to dependency they are surviving for that. So let me give you an example of technology platform. It is like you are putting some like together. It is like putting some components together that can be used to like develop and run various application, tools, frameworks, or we can say services or products. That is basically the feature that you're going to get from the technology platform. So the first thing is basically the infrastructure. That's obviously, to run any technology, you need like servers. You need all those hardware things to do first. Whenever you are thinking about the technology platform or any like service to run, we need a infrastructure, we need an hardware. If you need to develop or run any software, you need hardware like computer services and all. Second is basically the operating system like Windows, Linux, Unix, or Mac, that is installed on the hardware. So we already know these kind of things. So can you like guess sometimes like what comes next? Yes, you're right. The next thing is obviously your known one. I think already know, like you were having this concept in your mind already, like you need to have a platform ability to run program that you are right. Actually the language, if you have written a Java program, Python program, we like application like Node.js, then we need that platform to be able to run our programs. So definitely language is the next supporting thing in our technology platform ecosystem. The technology platform should have the language support, means we can develop and deploy and then run those applications to that platform. Next, we need the platform to take care of network and security things for us. So everything we put inside the technology platform should be able to communicate with outside things. All the communication that is happening with our technology platform has to be secure. So that network and the security has to be addressed by the technology layer always. We also need the platform to have a set of tools that solves like other technology needs, like database, like developing running mobile applications, various other things. So there are other things, aspect of technologies, that components that we also need in that platform. So software tools, databases, mobiles, etc, etc, those are also required in our ecosystem, or we can say technology platform. So if you look at the picture, it is basically giving you overall concept of a technology platform. I want you to remember this picture and visualize like traditionally the companies are managing its own technology components, like which are distributed across all over the place. So traditionally components have various like companies. If you look at a company that have each department that take care of like someone for like infra team, one for a network team, one for security, one for development, one for administration. Then maintenance users teams, separate database like teams are required. Like for every department, every like platform, we need a separate teams to take in care. That has all the component inside, and using this box you can develop and run your application or use these things inside the box. So basically what is the thing, think for a second. We can just have a common well, basic, like just a think, how do you feel about this concept? Like just think, when everything is at when everything comes in a same plate, and when we have different plates for different purpose. So just think how the companies will be looking like. So let's digest whatever you have like though about this thought about this concept, like putting all the things together in a box and forming a technology layer. In that case you will be amazed at this idea compared with other. Like there are so many teams that are working independently. They have their own service servers, they have their own softwares, they have their own like licenses, they have their own platforms also. And it is all distributed. If you think of a technology platform as a conceptual idea, basically help companies to adopt and put the best things in one place to form a like technology layer. So this is you can see the benefits of that. So like everything companies build and run application is made on just one technology platform, which is actually distributed to the entire company. So the entire company will come together and then work on this technology layer, and all the things are put together so that it forms a basically a basis for all the people to work in a in an organization. I think personally this is a really brilliant idea, I think. I hope you have understood the term technology platform. Let me repeat one more time for you. Read the you can see read the slide also with the help of this one. So basically now you have understood the term technology platform. Next we will understand how this real-time companies are using this concept to form their own technology platform. So in our next I will walk through some real life things you might be using in your using in your daily life or not. I will show you how they have formed their own technology layer and how they have used it as a basis to grow their application or to run their business also. So let's go to the next slide, and just think. So before understanding the real life examples of a technology platform, I have a question for you to think about. So why do you think companies wants to have a technology platform? So think for a second, why should have a technology platform? Why cannot just every team manages that own servers and I just want to go to them and they serve me the purpose why I need to have a standard platform? Like why they need that much effort to make a single platform and all? Show you how they have famous technology players who use this concept efficiently to run their business process and sustain the high mark demand. So then to make top famous examples and products and services that is present in the market, and we are gonna look as it how they are offering it and how they can sustain the market demand. So basically our overall concept, why companies need technology platform, is a common platform with a various components that works together to run a business process efficiently. That is the concept we are using here. So our first example will be First of all, like technology platform, why we need technology. So let's we give you a example of that. We were having, this is the common example and very basic example for you. So a technology platform is basically, as you know, collection of services, and execute enabling those to work something new or work as efficiently and effectively way. Those are, so like the first thing we are going to look at the social media platform. Take an example of Facebook, and for statistics, I just want to give you a number like 40% of world's population uses Facebook, which actually means approximately 2.8 billion. So monthly active users, we are talking about like monthly active users, like not the registered users, but 2.8 million monthly active users uses Facebook. Now think like, just imagine for a second, like have such kind of volume for your services, and what kind of infrastructure and software support network, support network security you need to overall for this to sustain that kind of volume. Like you can imagine now, like what kind of services, what kind of infrastructure, what kind of security you need to handle those the big volumes and all, right? Yeah. So imagine if Facebook does not rely on the standard platform to expand its understanding, understanding our underlying hardware softwares, like language support to deploy new application, network security, and tools. Facebook could not sustain that demand that is like available in the market from a social media platform. It will be a chaos, and Facebook will not be able to sustain a massive volume of demand. So many social media platforms provides like Facebook, Twitter, which we call nowadays X, Instagram, LinkedIn, they actually have a solid technology layer on which the software are built and executed. That's why once they have standard, like everything is standardized for them, standard layer and a foundation, they can grow big. That definitely, like they want to go big, that's why they are having standard for everything. So let's take another example of basically any cloud storage provider, but these guys offer us the services to use the storage. Like what is the cloud storage functionality? They provide the storage providing services on demand, and removing on demand services should be a very flexible technology layer, like to support this business model. Think like just think a while. Why do you think 100 users come, like 100 users come and 100 users go, right? You have provide that hardware, you have to take away, the hardware, you have to provide the hardware, like as put it, like customers go, customers come, client and like subscribes, they unsubscribe, kind of that. So when they come, you have to have that availability, and go away, it is useless to have those if there is no demand. So if you have to remove that as well, so this kind of business model, they must build a standard and robust, like obviously like flexible technology is required for this, with all it is component working together, like with all like things are working together, right? So like you are paying for the hardware, you are paying for the software, you are paying for database. But if there are no demand, we can say there is no demand for technology layer. So that's where components have to work together, and this is only like possible when everything is working in a single ecosystem. So think for a second, if you are a cloud storage provider and you want to offer such kind of services to your users, how you are going to do have like own technology platform layer. Think for a second, like what kind of technology platform layer you need to have in such cases, like how technology platform is helping us to solve this kind of problems. I like I'll give you a last example, and this is very very favorable, and it's my favorite as well. So like I think cloud platform provider, this is really a fascinating business model. So Azure, Amazon, many other cloud platforms, are Alibaba, are Google Cloud and all, that enables companies to run their business process efficiently. If you look at the social media platform, cloud services providers, I gave you. So like if you look at social media platform, cloud service providers, I gave you very simple ideas to grasp the concept of what is technology platform. And if you will look at all these companies, they are trying to to run their business process efficiently, and in order to do what in such a great demand they have for their tools, they need to have standard technology platforms. I hope you got the idea of technology platform by using these examples and definitions. Let's continue to the benefits of cloud technology platform. So before we start, do you want to take a guess what could be the first one? Like yeah, that is the thing. Yeah, correct. So that is my favorite also. So that is benefit of technology platform, that is called standardization. One platform for entire company going to get when they adopt a technology platform. Obviously because technology uh, platform concept helps the company to adopt this idea of having one platform which runs and serves according to the company's business process, whatever as per their requirement and all. They add things up to the technology platform based on their needs to run the application and all, and remove them when it is not needed. So that is basically a standard and unified technology platform. Then can add things, so try and remove them when job is done. So standardized is basically to help sustain a company on a standard platform. I always imagine a company as a building, building standing on a solid pillars, and the first one that I always think is basically the standardization. Second one is they are gonna get basically the second benefit of technology platform is scalability. As you can see, the ability to add and remove things based on the company's business process demand, and if company has more customers and complex needs, then scaling the technology layer with the additional hardware, softwares, language supports is very easy. And also removing them when they are not required is also a click of a button. Also scalability is directly proportional to companies revenue. So if you have an hardware and if it is unused, then you are paying for nothing. And so you should have this scalability feature built into your technology plan. And the next one is basically the innovative. The company should be innovative. Well, you will hear me saying a lot in the course about in next sessions, 100 lines of codes can be rewritten in 25 lines with a new language. Things are changing, right? We are moving towards tools that have zero coding, and you just draw the visually draw them visually, and the code is automatically generated with drag and drop applications. Trust me, you can build a mobile application with zero code. But just telling you intent and documenting it, the code is written in background and executed. You are going to look into this fascinating idea in upcoming lectures. And but I want you to understand that we are in this technology era. We are moving from writing something from a scratch. Then we are moving to the era where we are writing nothing, and where we just letting our intent to the computers, and computer is basically writing the code. If your company also is not using advanced technology innovation, then it is missing his edge to the things and dominate the market and all. if there is a new company that comes that's coming in the market and basically going to use all the high end technologies to achieve some greater things in their own product, think like AI, right? Artificial AI, right? Artificial intelligence. So like if your company coming companies coming up with tools and they have AI built in it, then basically it is own advantage and it is edges into the market and into the products. And automation as well, like automation is one of the area, one of the best area, one, like if innovative idea have put up into the automation, many manual things can be automated. So basically it is must for every company to adopt AI and automation. So basically this technology platform, once it is standardized, you have ability to add and remove components to it, it layer, which can you that additional support to build innovation, innovative applications. You can also try and use this advanced technology. So next one is simple and straightforward. The platform has to be secured and compliance, and it has to be up 99.9 percentage. There are many more we can say there are many more examples or advantages that can be listed, and but I think you grasp the whole concept of technology there. I just want to iterate that what are the benefits you are going to get out of it, and what is requirement for this and all. Everything is very so simple for your understanding. I want you to remember this definition at least in your understanding format. I don't want you to catch everything from my concept or my definition, but it should be remembered by you as you can explain it or you can remember it. So I don't want everything in as I told you, why companies adopt these platforms, why are the benefits. Here is the definition. A technology platform is a framework that provides a foundation, application, services or products. So I hope you got very good understanding of what technology platform is and how in real life companies are using to their to their advantage. Let's finally let's summarize this lecture. And finally you can see it is a combination of hardware, software, networking capability. So I want you to make you understand properly. Let's wrap up this session and your new very good understanding. I thought you will get a I understood you have a very good understanding. Then we can move into the finally to advanced sessions and all, and you got the concept of technology platform. Thank you so much for your attention to listening till last. I wish you a fantastic future. Bye and take care.